Hello everyone. Today we will show you how to make a model of triangular pyramid. For that you have to take four triangles. You see, triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, triangle 4. Here we have taken equilateral triangle, 4 equilateral, 1, 2, 3, 4. With this equilateral triangle, we will make a model of triangular pyramid, right? For that, what you have to do, you see how we are making this triangular pyramid. This is the net by which you can make a triangular pyramid. This is the net of triangular pyramid. Here you see, this is a net of triangular pyramid. Now I will show you how to make a triangular pyramid. With this tip, we will make a triangular pyramid, but you can use Fevicol also. Now see how we are making this triangular pyramid. Now see how you make this triangular pyramid. See, this is a very easy way to make a triangular pyramid. You see, this is our triangular pyramid. Now in a triangular pyramid we will learn the properties. What are the properties of a triangular pyramid? In triangular pyramid, how many surfaces are there? Let us see. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 surfaces in a triangular pyramid. How many vertices there? You see, vertices 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 vertices in a triangular pyramid. And how many edges are there? Let us find out the edge also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 edges in a triangular pyramid. Now we will find how to make a triangular pyramid, and after that with the colored papers, you see, these are the colored papers. You can cut the colored papers and make a beautiful triangular pyramid. That means we need a 4 equilateral triangle, and we are able to make this pyramid, right? This is a triangular pyramid, right? And what are the properties? You can see here there are how many surfaces? 1, 2, 3, 4 surfaces in a triangular pyramid. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 vertices in a triangular pyramid. And how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 edges in a triangular pyramid. And with this colored paper, you see, this is A4 colored paper. With this colored paper, you will cut it and make a beautiful colored triangular pyramid, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video.